Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we will solve SQL Injection Lab 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the latest videos. The title of the lab is SQL Injection Vulnerability Allowing Login Bypass. So, this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the login function, and to solve the lab, we should perform a SQL injection attack that logs into the application as the administrator user. So we access the lab. This is the home page of the lab. It has different products and it has a My Account button that links to a login page. This is the login portal or the login page that has a SQL injection vulnerability. Here it says SQL injection vulnerability in the login function. So most likely this is the SQL query in the back end. It will be something like select username from users where username equals administrator and password equals 123, for instance. So what we're gonna do is inject a single quote and a double dash right after administrator. The single quote will close this first single quote and the double dashes will comment out the rest of the query. So we will comment out the password section of the query, which means we will log in with only the username. We will do that using two methods. The first is writing the value and the payload in the login page, here in the username section. The second is using burp suite. We will intercept the request using burp suite's intercept. Then we will edit the request. Then we will forward it. In both methods, we will use the same values and the same payload. We will inject the single quote and double dash. So to start with the first method, we'll go to the login page, write administrator, single quote, double dash, and type any value in the password field, maybe 123. We will click login, and the lab is complete. Congratulations, you solved the lab. And it shows here your username is administrator. This is solving using the first method. We will log out and solve using the second method. So we'll go to My Account page again. We'll make sure that our traffic is being proxied through burp. So Foxy proxy, we selected burp. In burp, we'll turn intercept on. Here we'll type any username, maybe username, and any password, 123 for instance, and we'll click login. The request is intercepted in burp. Here we can adjust it, so we'll type administrator, single quote, double dash. We won't change the password value, and we'll click forward. We'll turn intercept off. As you can see, we logged in successfully as administrator. So we solved the lab using two methods. First using the payload in the login page, then using the payload in burp suite's intercept. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.